One
What's up,
eternity
guys? It's your boy,
later.
I'm Isaac, back with another video. And in today's video, somebody told one of my fans, not friends, fans. They told me that one guy recorded and reacted to your video. So I want to see what he said. What his YouTube name is Wolf Gamer. I want to see what he said to my video, and make sure to drop a like and a sub. And let's go. Let's react to it. We'll talk at the end.
Before the video starts, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment, and go follow me on Instagram, 813 _fresh_iraqi_, and go follow me on Snapchat, King549, so I can text you guys, and so maybe I will video chat you guys, and enjoy the video. So today it's going to be all about reacting to IMIZXI video routine workout. So yeah, I'm gonna react to his video, and maybe it's trash or good, because we had a fight between us and the PlayStation, and he got my nose I want to talk trash about him. He said he's not even a good YouTuber. He don't even know how to end it. So let's start the video. What the heck? The volume is blowing up my ears. Oh my god. Damn. What the heck you doing? Subscribe. I think he got this from a YouTube video. This is a famous YouTube video. Boy, what? Why do you have a background with the Pepsi? Do you love Pepsi or something? Look, he deleted his 2 files. What? It's not gonna show the pickup. Maybe he's lying. We don't know, guys. Maybe he's lying. See how he's lying? He's not pissed. He's just lazy to do videos. See this? Look, help me out a little bit. We're not gonna help you out. We're gonna dislike all your videos. Like that? Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, enjoy the video. What the heck is this background? What? At least put a white wall or something. It's not talking? What? Are you dumb or stupid? The first thing he do in the morning is walk out. No, the first thing he do in the morning is go watch YouTube. That's what he do. Text? Text who? Text who? Your boyfriend or something? Jit? If he don't work out, he's gonna get fat. But he never worked out in his house. I don't know what he mean. So yeah. The first thing he do is push-ups, right? I never seen him do push-ups. Yeah, 15 to 20 push-ups. Boy. Take a break a little bit. Yeah, 30 seconds. He go watch YouTube. Sit-ups. I bet he don't even know how to do his sit-ups because he's dumb. What the fuck is he doing? Jumping jumps. I bet he don't even know how to do it. I think he jumps like a monkey or something like that. There's some stamina. Yeah, he's not gonna get stamina. Let's see. You don't even know what to say. Muscle legs. 15? You go take a break and go eating. Why are you eating if you're working out? Are you dumb? What the heck you doing? His game is set up. Yeah, his routine. He said he lost his video. Now he said I did the video. What? Are you dumb? He takes an hour editing. I take like 3 hours editing, boy. Chromebooks. Everybody knows you edit with video. You don't even know how to say it. You don't have to say it because it's like in the corner. Are you dumb? But why are you wearing a jersey? Argentina jersey. Are you dumb? Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah. He said, I'm drunk? What? Shut up, kid. You're not even drunk. You don't even know how to get drunk, bitch. Yeah, the virus spread the God. I bet he have the virus. He's gonna do another video? Let's see. Sub or subscribe, you're dumb. The video's not gonna fall. Boy, what happened to his intro? To his outro? Well, thanks for watching. Boy, why is your picture in the circle? Are you dumb? Damn, he's blowing up my ears. So guys, make sure you go dislike his video. Go dislike it. He has 32 views and 0 likes, and he have 1 dislike from me. So yeah, and I subscribe to his channel. I don't know what you want from him. Alright? Damn, you have gay videos. Right there. Okay, guys? So this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. And have a nice day. Peace out.
So much to say right now, but where do I start? Alright, first of all, your videos and your position of the camera are the worst, the garbagest. Second thing, I don't have the virus. Third thing, you're talking about why are you wearing a jersey? And why, I don't remember asking you, why do you care? Like, if I wear a jersey, why do you care? Okay, let me ask you, why are you wearing your headphones? Like, come on, bro. And the fourth thing, if the intro is too loud for you, load your damn headphones down. Lower it down then. Lower the video down or whatever you can do just to lower it down. And fifth thing, I'm the worst editor. I take time to edit my video. I put effort to edit my video. I'm not like you, bro. I don't sit there like, oh yeah, they're not gonna do nothing. I just literally 30 minutes and he posts his videos. Mine's like from, let's say at 3 in the morning, right? From 3 in the morning, I go all the way to 6:30. So that's 3 hours and 30 minutes. I take 3 hours and 30 minutes to edit my video. He says he takes a long time to edit his video. Then where is the good editing you was talking about? Whatever, man. And the thing you said, the thing said why you have Pepsi in the back. First of all, I drank that before the video. And I love Pepsi, yes, you got me there. I love Pepsi. That's my favorite drink, but I stopped drinking it. And then the seventh thing is that you're talking about, I said I'm drunk. First of all, I don't do drugs. Never, will never. I don't drink stuff. I'm an actual kid, but what else do I say? That's all I gotta say, man. Hey, if you guys like this video, please drop a like and follow me on Snapchat. I'll leave my Snapchat on the screen. If I don't leave it on the screen, I'll leave it in the description. And I forgot this one. Why are you worrying about who I text? Why are you worrying about who I text? And first of all, I'm not gay, bro. I'm not sus. So take that shit easy. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. It's been your boy Mizix, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.